Atul was playing with the ball, passing the catch with his friends in his home garden. I am bored with everyday routine. Yes, our life has become too monotonous and boring. We need a break. Well then, let us plan something. Tomorrow is Sunday also and our school holiday. Let us go to a picnic with our family. My suggestion would be to go the new town fair that has come in our colony's ground. Yes, it seems a good idea. Let's go the fair then. Let us plan it for tomorrow afternoon then, after lunch. Okay. That night, while eating dinner, Atul informing his mother about the next day's plan. Mom, I and Vinay have made a plan to go the colony's new fair tomorrow. Yes, I know. Actually, Vinay's mom called me some time back to know the details. She has given permission to Vinay only on one condition, that I would go with you both. I hope you will not have any issue with that. No, Mom, I have no issue with that. Rather, I would love you coming with us. We will together have lot of fun. Thank God. I thought you would not like it. No, Mom, then you can buy us gifts and tasty snacks to eat. Okay, but in control. Definitely, Mom. My good boy. Now finish your dinner and go to sleep. Vinay washes his hands and then goes to his room. He pushes his wristband button and out comes his Ginny friend. You know, Ginny, tomorrow me and my friend Vinay are going to the big fair in our town. It is great. Hope you will take me also. I always take you everywhere, Ginny. But I am always inside the wristband only. I don't enjoy being there always. What should we do? You only tell. You can call me by pressing the button in the afternoon and let me be with you the whole day tomorrow. After coming back from the fair in the night, I will again go back inside the band. Atul thinking for a minute. Are you sure? Can this be done without any risk? Oh yes! You remember? No one can see or hear me except for you. But I will not be able to talk with you in front of everyone. Everyone will think I am mad and my mom will get scared. Don't worry about that. Don't talk to me publicly. If you want to tell me anything, just think in your mind and I will do accordingly. Can it be done? Let us try it once now. Okay, you command me anything in your mind and see the magic. Atul thinking in his mind. I am thirsty. Ginny, please bring me a glass of water. Atul saw Ginny laughing and uttering some magic words and immediately there appeared a glass of water on the small table in front of Atul. Oh Ginny, this is so cool. This is way better than me calling you all the time from inside the band. Yeah. This way I will also get more time to spend with you. Okay, then from now onwards you can stay outside with me. Every morning I will call you. In the night you can go inside the band to take some rest while I am sleeping. Okay. Atul goes to sleep and Ginny inside the band. Atul thinking in the bed. It will be great fun with Ginny around him all the time. Next day, Atul was very excited and he was smiling. The Ginny was there in the house standing beside him. It is already late in the afternoon. When will Vinay come? I called her mom 5 minutes back only. He has left for our home and should be here in couple of minutes. Okay mom, but please don't take anything to eat. We will have the snacks in the fair only. I know, that's why I am not taking anything. You are the best mom in the whole world. Okay, stop pampering me and open the gate. I think Vinay has come. Atul opens the door. Vinay was standing in front looking handsome. Where were you? Why you took so long to come? I woke up late this morning, hence got late. Okay, now we should not waste much time, or else we will not get much time to spend in the fair. Mom locks the house door. All of them, including Ginny, sat inside the car and Mom driving the car. Mom drove the car. All of them laughing and singing. They reached the fair. Look, so many shops are there on both sides of the walking pathway. Shops selling gifts, handicraft items, paintings and lot of snacks item. Yes, and there are many joy rides for the kids too. Both of you should try few rides. Yes, auntie, that will be fun. Mom buys some tickets from the counter for the fun ride for both the kids. The boys sat on the car for the circular ride. The ride begins. Both the kids and Ginny truly enjoy the rides one after other. After some time, they started feeling hungry. Look, Mom and Vinay, should we have some spicy chaat? Yes, sure. After that, we will have some sweet. Yes, let's go. Okay. They all ate the golgappas and chaat to their content. The chaat is very tasty. Yeah, it is very tasty and tangy. Can we have one burger also, Mom? Sure, but don't order for me. Atul went to the burger shop and ordered 2 burgers. Uncle, 2 burgers please. Yes, my dear son. Give me 2 minutes time. Okay, uncle. Atul ordered the burger and came back to where her mom was standing. They were looking at the hustle bustle of the fair. Suddenly there was some noise at a little distance from their place and people started running. Mom, what is that? Why is everyone running? Mom, look, there is smoke coming out from that place. Let me check. What happened? A fire broke out in one of the stalls nearby. You all also leave the place now. Boys, let us go out. I think it is risky to stay here. Mom, we don't want to go so soon. It is only some time since we have come here. Yes, I know that. But I don't want to put you all in any kind of danger. Atul suddenly thought of an idea. Ginny, listen. Control this fire immediately. But since there are a lot of people, do it in such a way that it looks normal and not any kind of magic. Atul saw Ginny uttering some magical word. And suddenly, Atul saw the sky become a little dark and immediately it started to rain slightly. All the people, including themselves, took shelter in the nearby shade. It rained for some time and gradually the smoke was gone. All the people felt relief. Mom, the smoke is gone. Now can we stay here for some more time? Yes, now you can stay. It seems God also wants you to enjoy a little more. Atul looking at Ginny. Thank you, Ginny. You are a true friend. Ginny winked at Atul.